What's the meaning of blind date? Blind date. Blind date.
Blind date. Blind date. A blind date is a social arrangement where two people who have not previously met each other go on a date. The date is arranged by a third party, usually a friend or a family member, who introduces the two parties. The term blind refers to the fact that the individuals involved have little or no prior knowledge about each other.